the debris cloud mystery. The impact unleashed a cosmic fireworks display that continued for months. LICIACube, a small Italian satellite deployed by DART, captured stunning close-up images of the collision aftermath, showing massive boulders and dust streaming away from Dimorphos at high velocity. Dr. Elisabetta Dotto from INAF Astronomical Observatory of Rome analyzed the footage, revealing that some debris chunks were larger than cars, ejected at speeds exceeding 500 meters per second. The debris cloud evolved dramatically over time, initially forming a double-tail structure that confused astronomers. Ground-based observations from the Lowell Observatory showed the tail stretching over 10,000 kilometers through space, making Dimorphos temporarily appear comet-like. Most surprisingly, the debris pattern suggested Dimorphos wasn't a solid rock, but rather a loosely bound rubble pile held together primarily by gravity. This discovery revolutionized understanding of asteroid composition, indicating that many near-Earth asteroids might be fragile collections of smaller rocks, rather than monolithic stones. The extended debris emission also meant the orbital change would continue for weeks, as material kept streaming away from the asteroid.